And we are back to the Be Your Own Boss YouTube channel. We'll talk about being your own boss by finding gig economy jobs, courier routes, independent contractor jobs, side hustles, passive income, anything to help you level up in life and get out the 9-to-5 rat race. We about that. And if you need extra income, if you need help finding courier routes, driver routes, anything to make money on your own time, hit that like button, smash the subscribe button because I'm here daily with the content. Let's get into it. Crossroads Courier. You see the thumbnail, you see the title, you see what we're about today, about another company to help you get on the road by driving and picking up items, packages, and deliver them last mile style. So this company really centered around the Midwest region, but we'll see, all the different places they looking for drivers. Work with medical samples, packages, anything that they need shipped, they're going to call you to get it shipped. So let's see what they're looking for. So if you want to be a new driver and you live in the St. Louis, Kansas City, Phoenix, Las Vegas, Chicago, and Dallas areas. So like I said, Midwest going to West regions. Sorry, East Coast. Sorry, Southeast. But if you know, like I know, if you're expediting, if you're over the road, if you happen to be in St. Louis or some of those areas quite often, then go ahead and still sign up. And if you need a load coming from that area to another area, is a good way to get loads and never have any downtime. The more companies you sign up with, the better your chances of staying busy and not deadheading anywhere. So here's some of the things to look for: reliable, flexible, strong drive, every money, ability to drive in any weather conditions, have your own vehicle, car, minivan, SUV, cargo van, or a box truck. So they're looking for everybody. Box truck 16 feet or under, valid driver license, auto insurance, smartphone, clean NVR. Name, what market, like 18 years or older. So this is the one. So if your guys are 19 or older, most of them are 21 and up, but this one's only 19 and up. So this is a great one to get into. And you put your things in your hear back from them. Like I said, I haven't put my application in for this company, but I know some drivers in Chicago who are making good money with this company using their Sprinter van as well as their personal vehicle to do medical courier runs. So jump on this, crossroadcourier.com. Tell them Credit K said, I want to be my own boss. Give me a route, give me a load, and let's go get that money, guys. All right. So you still here? Like I said, hit that like button, smash the subscribe button. You want to miss out, or hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss out on the daily content I'm giving you guys centered around these driving positions. All right. All right, ladies. So want to do a quick one today. I'm not gonna hold you. Be your own boss.